5, 4, 3.
Hi everyone, my name is Oscar and I'm partner at the creative agency ABEL, and we believe there's nothing more powerful than a good story. And that's why we on the 4th of June are doing a storytelling workshop in collaboration with Venture Cup. In this workshop, you'll learn how to create a story that makes your startup stand out from the crowd, whether it's investors or new customers. You'll learn how to build this story into your customer journey and use it on your website and sales material. So really looking forward to seeing you on the 4th of June, where you learn much more about storytelling and some very specific tools how to create your own story.